So the shipping containers, because they're cool looking, keep in mind that you can put whatever you want on the outside of a shipping container. Our typical customer is somebody that wants something that's modern and cool, and they want to have a product that is going to withstand the test of time. Typically, one shipping container, even when it's sitting on a port, is sitting there for, I would say, decades. So imagine
Wow.
your house outliving, so to speak, other houses in the neighborhood where they've broken down and had some challenges where you now have to fix things. You don't have to have that same experience with the shipping container because the material is a higher durability.
So let's talk a little bit more about green construction as a whole then, right? We get the shipping container component. Let's talk green construction as a whole. So what factors do you think influence the adoption of green construction in our country, in the US?
I would say design. So what's cool? So think of shipping containers as Legos. So when you were younger, you get to stack them on top of each other and place them side by side. The design, I would say flexibility of a shipping container is what makes it magnificent. Sometimes people are just looking for something that's different, but the shipping container can also be adaptable to whatever the local ordinances are. So the country as a whole can benefit just having that proper legislation and then allowing for companies like mine to be able to come in and create new spaces. We build faster, there's cost savings there. And then in general, just the overall impact or benefit to the end user, whoever's going to live, work, or play in it, is just so magnificently high that if we were adopting it more throughout the country, we could solve homelessness very easily. We could very much so demo units that are kind of so much to the point where they're uninhabitable. To be able to rebuild after a demo will be quicker. And then from a natural disaster perspective, we'll be able to regenerate those communities that were ravaged much quicker than doing stick and brick. As you can see, some cities are still struggling with trying to get their communities rebuilt after, heavy flooding and all that. So this
Yeah.
can solve so many major issues. And I hope that people recognize that as they're seeing the different uses of it.